Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been quite bumpy, especially for Dogecoin that has fallen back to its previous support close to 15 cents. When we talk about the trading volume, you can notice there is a slight bump, but it is still not in the green that everyone wants it to be at. At the same time, Morgan Stanley reportedly is preparing to allow its brokers to recommend a spot Bitcoin ETF, and this will help the crypto market giants as the market cap will go up a lot faster. Analysts say predicting or betting on Dogecoin to reach $1 is a little risky, and Dogecoin Spotlight key on-chain matrix still flash green even though Doge has dropped by 8%. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help to algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Make sure we help with the social engagement, because the higher social engagement Doge will have, the higher chance of the price exploding very quickly. One other important thing that you need to be paying attention to. So right now, it's not just Dogecoin that's moving by itself, rather it's more like a trend by the whole crypto market. So we need something that's going to be driving the whole crypto market for Dogecoin to also have a massive rally. Now, Morgan Stanley, if you guys do not know, Morgan Stanley, one of the leading financial giants on the Wall Street, is said to empower its 15,000 brokers with actively recommending Bitcoin ETF. Now, this is a really big deal, because if you just do a simple Google search of Morgan Stanley, you guys will come to find out that they have over 25,000 employees, and let's just say everyone that trades with them, which is about 15,000 people, the trading volume would be quite insane. Now, all of this money, or at least half of this money that they will be getting recommended, they will be putting it into Bitcoin ETF, and that's obviously going to drive in more money into the Bitcoin market or the crypto market in general, and will help pump up the price. Now, this is just personally my opinion. This is just a really big news, and you guys can see investing banking company is exactly what we need into the crypto market to help pump up the price even faster. Now, why Dogecoin might not reach $1 in an interview suggests that Dogecoin reaching $1 could be a journey due to its holders base. The crypto analysts attributed this is to be the fact that there is a lot of Dogecoin holder who have purchased the meme coin in 2021 due to the hype, but at the current price they are in loss. So when the price decides to make it close to like 35 cents or 40 cents, the people who bought at the peak will most likely just want to take the money out in the break even, and if they decide to do that, it would be much harder for Dogecoin to make it to $1. Do I agree with this? Not 100% of it, but I do see where they're coming from, and I personally feel like I also trust the holders to be able to push it up. Now, this is what I always think: if you like Dogecoin and you want to see it hit $1, if there is enough people that want to see it hit $1, it's going to be hitting $1, because there will be a lot more people that will be holding on. Obviously, in the way, we're not just going to be seeing a huge spike, exactly what we have experienced recently. Now, you can see that there was a huge spike, then we went into a consolidation zone. What does this mean? Well, this is the time when accumulation from big whales happened, and a lot of profit taking from a lot of people happened. Now, after that, you can see that the profit taking was greater, so the price goes down. Once it's found a support, we see another spike. Now, that's exactly how the Dogecoin price is going to go up. There is no such thing as the price will just keep rising all the way until $1. There's obviously going to go back into consolidation zone. If there is too much profit taking, there might be a slight pullback, and the same thing will keep following, but overall the trend will still be an uptrend, and that is exactly what everyone is looking for. If you're going to be a little patient, you're going to be rewarded quite greatly. And at the same time, if you pay attention to what Dogecoin has been doing, you can see that it's still the 10th most traded crypto in the whole entire world. Why is this a big deal? Because you need to understand, if the traders are able to back up Dogecoin and make sure that it's able to make it to the top numbers that we want it to, well, the chances of it happening will be much greater compared to when the trading volume will drop quite significantly. Now, if we talk about the open interest, it is down 8% today. I mean, 760 million is still very good, but it is quite significantly down compared to, let's say, about 2 weeks ago. Now, at the same time, the liquidations, 4.5 million, with 4 million just coming from the long traders. And that's very reasonable, seeing that the spike was quite significant when it dropped from 16.5 cents all the way to 15. Now, US SEC to deny the Ethereum ETF in May. I mean, we're getting very close to May. In about 4 to 5 days, we will be in the month of May. While there is a little bit of estimate that there might be some, let's just say, some stuff that will be released for Ethereum towards the US SEC, and they are expected to deny it for the Ethereum ETF. Now, Hong Kong has accepted the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETF, but the US does not want to follow through. Now, talking about some whales, now this is a whale that I have been paying attention to quite greatly. This is the second largest holder of Dogecoin, and you guys can see that every single time the price drops about to 15 cents, they decide to buy a significant amount. Now, that's just in a 2-day period. That's about, let's say, 10 to 11 million dollars worth of Dogecoin. Now, when the price drop went back to 16 cents, 5 million sold. Now, today they've decided to purchase another 5 million dollars worth of Doge when the price dropped to 15 cents. Now, this person is more like a trader rather than a long-term investor. But when we talk about long-term investor, this person on 15 cents just decided to buy $55 million worth of Doge just in the last 24 hours. And this wallet, I'm pretty certain, is thinking of holding very long term. This is another wallet that you guys can see has sold a significant amount, but recently has started purchasing back just about $1 million just in the last, I'll say, 4 to 5 days, which is a significant amount of buy if you think about the overall trend. Friendly reminder, the cycle has started. Don't get shaken out. Somewhere across April, May, and June, we will move up, and X payment is certainly the anticipated catalyst. I mean, you can also see that trending is dog, and meme coin season is coming back very soon. And who is the leader of the meme coins? Or Dogecoin, and that's obviously going to be the driving factor. And Dogecoin price prediction right now is still expected to be able to just hold it and make sure that we don't fall below the support right now, which we have created close to 14.5 cents. If we are able to just hold that support and be able to move up next time, let's just say the resistance that you need to be paying attention to will be close to 18 cents. That's where most of the profit taking has been happening recently, and the price is just not able to climb up. The market is super volatile. If you guys are leverage trading, I highly recommend you do be a little careful, because right now it would be a little volatile and you can end up losing a lot of money. But overall, the market is still in a very friendly uptrend that over long term it will be doing very well. You just need to be a little patient and sit back and relax. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, if you want to subscribe, make sure you do so, and I'll see you soon.